This video is for everyone who has faced a situation with a third party in their relationships. For those who are new, a third party refers to a person who is just a reflection of your fears and doubts when manifesting a specific person. If you are not manifesting a specific person, you can relate a third party to any of the blocks you are facing in your manifesting journey. Many people face the issue of a third party who gets stuck like glue. The more you condemn it, the more it sticks. Also, there are many people who have successfully removed third parties from their relationship situation. You can do it too. Once you understand that everyone is reflecting your beliefs and assumptions, you will know that third parties are just reflecting your fears. Third parties are not the issue. The issue is the meaning you have assigned to them in relation to you. You can look at it this way. You might be out drinking coffee when suddenly a boy and a girl come and sit at a table next to you. The girl is wearing a pink top and the boy is wearing a silver-plated bracelet, and they are making jokes and enjoying themselves. Suddenly, the girl's phone rings. She picks up and says she is busy with a friend and will talk later. You just saw this scene, and you are not in contact with your SP. You know, they don't like drinking coffee, and they don't have any best friends. Suddenly, your mind starts to create some fears. What if she was hanging out with her colleague the whole time? Also, her favorite color is pink, and she generally wears tops. Let me have a look at her Instagram. Oh no, there is a guy. He is wearing a similar silver-plated bracelet. What if he works at her office? What if she went away because of him? And it goes on and on. Congratulations, you created a third party. Who knows whether that boy is only her friend or some classmate? But because you are in a state of no contact, you are thinking from a state of lack and assuming all the negative scenarios. This is happening because of your ego. Everyone has it, and you can't exist in the physical world without it. Your ego is your identity, or the opinions that you have about yourself. Your ego feels threatened because it may get rejected. It does this because of insecurities, and it may make you feel inadequate and not good enough. So, it leads you to doing the things such as checking their social media as discussed above, spiraling down and going deep down to the rabbit hole. Instead of falling into the trap of the ego, you have to recognize why it is triggering you, and you have to acknowledge it. This step is essential because, by accepting it, you reduce its power, as it is said that, whatever you resist, you persist. You have to just stop in that moment and acknowledge your feelings and try to understand the root cause of that happening. When you acknowledge it, you don't run away from it. You face it and you start being honest with yourself, and this will in turn makes you feel validated and authentic. Once you do this, your story automatically starts to change. What if that person is her classmate? What if she is not ignoring me? What if she is missing me? What if she talks to her colleagues about how much she adores me? What if right now she is looking at our pictures together? What if this situation of no contact happened to strengthen our bond, and so on? When you acknowledge your ego, you don't have to affirm that a third party does not exist. You simply forget it. You don't have to forcefully ignore it. In 3D, the third party loses power and vanishes. So, try it out. Don't suppress your emotions. Feel them and acknowledge them. They will show you from where they are coming. You don't have to destroy the leaves in order to destroy the tree. The leaves will grow back. Instead, cut the roots to put an end to it. The tree is a metaphor for your fears, and the leaves refer to the quick fixes you apply. I hope I made my point clear. Also, plant some new trees and enjoy the fruits of it. Subscribe if you liked this video and want more videos like it. Happy manifesting!